Are you starting it now?
Yep.
It's filming right now?
Nope.
All right, people. Maybe I should
I
get
want everybody to take 4 giant
over
steps
one more
back.
time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, people.
But I should actually have a longer...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is it?
We can't even hear it anymore.
It's sick, man.
There it is.
There it is.
This is going to be the only one that actually lands in our yard.
Ah, crap.
I'll end up in the street.
Here, put that down. I'm not sure if I
I don't know
lost
if
it.
the parachute opened all the way.
I don't think it did.
I think it got caught in the jet stream.
Oh, hush. Go to the pond again.
Oh, no. It's going to be over that. Yeah, it's going probably, I'm guessing that's, you know what? I don't know, it might come right down the canvas. Oh, no. That's still 500,000 feet up there. That's getting carried pretty strong, man.
No, it's really going.
That's going to be on Highway 3.
Okay, I totally can't see if it's in the phone anymore.
Oh, yeah. That's going to be in the cul-de-sac minimum. Watch, Aaron's running.
Ooh, he doesn't do this often.
He wants to step back.
Oh God, he's ran into somebody. We love you, honey. Good luck.